you made an extra $10 million after taxes because the thing that you own appreciated by $10 million. And that's the thing that I didn't understand for a very long time. And so now let's zoom out. You want to be a billionaire. Again, it's not by me side hustling my way to $1 billion. Like Zuckerberg didn't have Airbnbs he was flipping on the side while he was building Facebook. What did you do to become a billionaire? He built Facebook. If you have the opportunity to spend half of your time obsessing about your passive income rather than saying, I wonder if I could take my $5 million profit business, focus all my attention on it and make it into a $6 million profit business. And then all of a sudden I just added $10 million to my net worth.
Do you have a $30,000 salary with no rent to pay? Then you are the luckiest person on planet Earth right now. Turn YouTube into a cash machine fast. Grant Cardone says, if you're not first, you're last. Save smart, invest in your channel, and hit $100,000 revenue in just 2 years. Let's get started by 2027. Take inspiration from Alex Hormozi, who scaled Gym Launch to a $100 million empire by mastering cash flow and content. Hormozi started with a struggling gym, barely making ends meet, but he turned things around by creating value-driven content on YouTube. He shared actionable business tips, attracting millions of views and building a loyal audience that fueled his growth. His channel became a lead generation machine, driving sales for his business and creating multiple revenue streams. Hormozi's key lesson: create content that solves real problems for your audience and monetize fast to maximize your returns. That's the exact mindset you need to turn your $30,000 job into a $100,000 YouTube cash machine by 2027. With a $30,000 salary and no rent, saving is your edge. Use a 70-20-10 budget to make it happen. 70% to savings, that's $21,000, 20% to essentials like food and transport, which is $6,000, and 10% to learning through courses on Udemy, totaling $3,000. That breaks down to $1,250 per month to savings, $17,500 in 14 months. After adjusting for taxes, you'll hit $15,000 by mid-2026. Cody Sanchez stresses cash flow. She says saving aggressively is the foundation of any successful business venture. Track every penny with YNAB. Cut unnecessary expenses like eating out or subscriptions and stay disciplined to reach your savings goal. You're building a future where you control your income, and it starts with this step. With $15,000 saved, invest $10,000 to launch your YouTube channel in the personal finance niche. Spend $3,000 on equipment, a Sony ZV-1 camera for crisp video quality, a Rode video mic for clear audio, and basic lighting to make your videos pop. Allocate $3,000 for editing. Hire freelancers on Fiverr to polish your videos with professional intros, outros, and transitions. Then use $4,000 for Google Ads to promote your first videos and get eyes on your content quickly. Damon John values hustle. He built his empire by outworking everyone around him. Post 3 videos a week focusing on actionable topics like 5 budget hacks to save $5,000 in a year, or how to invest your first $1,000. Engage with your audience in the comments, optimize your titles and thumbnails for clicks, and grow to 1,000 subscribers in 3 months by late 2026. Ready to turn YouTube into your cash machine? Smash that like button and subscribe to Nova Society Finance. Let's build your wealth together.
I think people need to start studying words. You'll get a bank. What is also a bank? A river bank. What does the river bank do? It controls the flow. The flow of what? The flow of the current, the currency. If it's controlling the currency, it's also controlling the what? The flow. The flow of what? The cash flow. Money moves like water. So if I understand where the water is going to go, I just have to position myself where the cash flow is going to be next, and I will get wet. Welcome to the big leagues.
Monetize fast By month 6, hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours to join the YouTube Partner Program and start earning ad revenue. With 50,000 views a month at $5 RPM, that's revenue per 1,000 views, you'll earn $250 a month from ads starting in month 6. Keep posting consistently, improve your video quality, and scale to 200,000 views a month by month 12. That's $1,000 a month in ad revenue. Your total ad revenue will be $10,000 in year 1, $4,000 from months 6 to 12, plus $1,000 a month for the last 6 months. Kevin O'Leary stresses discipline. He says consistency is the key to building any revenue stream. Post on a strict schedule, reinvest $500 a month into more Google ads to boost your reach, and hit your monetization target by mid-2027. By month 12, with 200,000 views a month, it's time to land sponsorships. Pitch personal finance brands like Mint or YNAB via email. Charge $1,000 per sponsorship for a 30-second mention in your videos. Secure 2 sponsorships a month by month 12, that's $2,000 a month. Scale to 5 sponsorships a month by month 18 to $5,000 a month from sponsorships alone. Your total sponsorship revenue will be $30,000 in year 1. That's 6 months at $5,000 a month. Combined with your $10,000 from ads, you'll hit $40,000 by the end of year 1. Luke Belmar stresses systems. He says automation and templates are the key to scaling fast. Use Gmail templates to streamline your outreach, track your pitches in a spreadsheet, reinvest $1,000 a month into ads to grow your views, and keep building your sponsorship pipeline through 2027. Year 2, launch merch and hit $100,000 in revenue. Use Fourth Wall to sell branded mugs and tees with designs like Master Your Money for $20 each, with a $10 profit per sale. Sell 500 units a month by month 18. That's $5,000 a month in merch revenue. Combined with $5,000 a month from sponsorships and $2,000 a month from ads, now at 400,000 views a month, you'll hit $12,000 a month in total revenue. That's $100,000 in just 8 months. $12,000 a month plus $4,000 from months 12 to 16. Myron Golden leverages systems. He says integrating multiple revenue streams is how you scale an empire. Promote your merch in every video with a pinned comment and a call to action. Reinvest $2,000 a month into ads to boost your channel's growth and dominate your niche by 2027. Want more steps to build your YouTube cash machine? Hit subscribe and turn on notifications. Never miss a step to your empire with Nova Society Finance.
You have to see yourself. You have to really believe in yourself. And sometimes it's hard. You know, you've had failures, you've had weaknesses, you've had other things. You have to see yourself as a one-man band. Don't rely too much on other people because they'll let you down. You have to see yourself as victorious. And to be a winner, you have to think like a winner. If you don't think like a winner, it's just never going to happen.
Your action plan to go from $30,000 job to $100,000 YouTube business by 2027. Step 1, save $15,000 with a 70-20-10 budget, $1,250 a month for 14 months. Step 2, launch your channel for $10,000. Grow to 1,000 subscribers in 3 months. Step 3, monetize with ads by month 6, $10,000 in year 1. Step 4, add sponsorships by month 12, $40,000 in year. Step 5, launch merch to hit $100,000 in year 2, $12,000 a month. Act now, create consistently, and build your YouTube empire with multiple revenue streams. I'm building this $100,000 YouTube cash machine with you, turning your $30,000 job into wealth, one step at a time. Cody Sanchez's cash flow focus Kevin O'Leary's discipline, and Alex Hormozi's content strategy from his journey to millions show us the way. Hal Elrod reminds us to act with purpose every day, saying your daily habits shape your future success. Start today, launch your channel, and create your empire with Nova Society Finance. Will you take the leap? Drop it in the comments. Thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up and like this video. It helps push this content to more people who need to see it. Please subscribe to Nova Society Finance. Always remember to master your money. Don't let your money master you. Want to learn more about personal finance and wealth building strategies? Please click on one of the following videos.